State. Tell me, don't give me any extra information, just state the fact. The number of protons and neutrons and electrons that I have got in a titanium atom, and the information on the atom is given to me in the question. I don't even have to look at the periodic table. If I look at the periodic table, sometimes I might get this wrong because they could give you a different atom to the one that's indicated in the periodic table. So what would I do? The bottom number tells me the number of protons, so my number of protons is going to be 22. The number of electrons, the number of protons equals the number of electrons in an atom. This is true for an atom. It is not true for an ion, but it is true for an atom. So if I have 22 protons, then by default I will have 22 electrons. I've done protons, I've done electrons. That leaves me with neutrons. The number of neutrons is equal to the mass number. You need to remember this, the mass number minus the proton number. The mass number is the bigger number of the two. If in this particular example, it's 48. The proton number is the smaller number of the two. In this value here, we've got 22. I then do my sum, and even if I have a big brain and I can do it by mental arithmetic, I would still check it in my calculator because I always want to be sure. I would always do these things twice. So 48 minus 22 gives me 26. So that is my number of neutrons. 22 protons, 26 neutrons, and 22 electrons. Because this is an easier question, this would count only for 1 mark.